Good morning, my students. How are you all? Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you that nowadays everyone is talking about personal hygiene, health, physical activity, and how to prevent ourselves from the disease. And we, physical education teacher, used to teach these things every year to the students. So now everyone is teaching health education and physical education and sports first. So no need to tell you the importance of physical education, health education and sports. Before performing this Tadasana, I want to tell you some important key points. The first one is, don't do it fast or in an improper way. The second is, do it slowly and in a proper manner, in a proper way. The third is, concentrate on which muscle you are contracting and relaxing. And the fifth one is, concentrate on your breathing, your posture and position. And the last thing is, this yoga and exercise can help you to improve your height, to increase your height. Okay, so let's start with the Tadasana first. We have a steps there. First you have to stand straight, 2-inch gap between your both feet and on the side. This is for step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Okay, this is a basic Tadasana, and I know you are creative. That's why today I am going to teach you the more exercises but related to the Tadasana. And what we're going to do is, we're going to make variation from Tadasana. Okay, so how? The exercise number 1 is Tadasana. The exercise number 2 is, stand like this only, hands here, and just stretch your body up. Hold it and relax. Down. This is exercise number 2. The exercise number 3 is shoulder level gap between your legs, and then do the same. Okay. And stretch your body up. Down. This is exercise number 3. The exercise number 4 is, close your feet and do the same. Okay. Now exercise number 5 is, raise your hand like this, palm facing each other, and raise your body up. Down. Now the exercise number 6 is join your hands, stretch your body up, down, now exercise number 7, the same process, but according to me this is the toughest one. How? Join your leg. Okay. In this you have to do the same, but with this you have to look up, down. But in this exercise, balancing yourself is too tough. Now, the message for you is, please don't do any dangerous activity at home. Be safe, stay at home, and let me know how many variations you can create by this Tadasana. And if you want to do any activity, do it under observation of any elder at your home. And the last and the final thing is, do some physical activity. Okay, not dangerous, the normal one, and you can make the short video and can click the picture and you can send it to me at my mail ID. Got it? Good luck.